Alright, so as you guys know, we're doing our weight loss challenge right now. And Josh is pretty much starving himself, and I'm afraid he's running away with it a little bit. So, we got him 2 spicy McChickens with just mac sauce. His favorite thing from McDonald's. Let's see if he'll eat it. We might have to just leave it in there so he no, but you know what I mean? He might not want to do it in front of us, but let's see what we got. I got you 2 spicy McChickens with just mac sauce, bud.
Man, y'all
Smell that thing.
boy, y'all that stuff.
Smell.
That's not even right, man.
Is that just mac sauce though? Is it right? Look at that, dude. You know what's crazy is I like the spicy McChickens, and you can tell it's a fresh one too. They usually don't come this fresh. We're just gonna leave him here. You do what you want with him. We're out of here.
That's messed up.
We're out of here. He's gonna get him. All right, we got into the Freedom Factory, and most of you guys know that Cleetus has a Crown Vic on jack stands running 24/7 for as long as it'll run, and I'm actually surprised it's still running. I think it's been days, which is super impressive. But we're here to sign my autograph on it a few times. We're gonna sneak over there and hopefully unrecognized, right? Hopefully nobody knows it's me.
You got your ski mask, right?
And then we'll probably give it away once people see the autograph.
Maybe. I mean, it depends on which rendition you got going on this go around.
That's true. Yeah. It could be Bob, could be CLOL, LM. You know, there is some possibilities there. You're right. Good call. But I'm hoping my autograph is just dialed in. They all look exactly the same, and we get out of here. Yeah. That's the plan. So yeah, we got some kind of disguise we're gonna put on just to make it a little bit harder for people on the live stream to see us, right?
Yeah, it should be good. There ain't no one around here either, so there's nothing.
It's empty. This is kind of weird, but yeah, we're gonna try this. Let's get dressed. I had more of a disguise, but Josh left it in the trailer, so we'll have to wear part of the disguise and hope it's enough.
Yeah. Well, let's see this disguise.
How do I put these? I'll poke my eyeball.
You about to poke your eye.
What if I poke my eye? You think my signature's bad now? Let me poke my eyeball.
Yeah, it looks like you're digging that thing in your eyeball. Boy, you look professional.
Not yet.
Oh, there it is.
You ready now?
There it is.
My glasses are
The mouth's all off, cattywampus.
Oh, you know what? I have a CJ race car shirt on, don't I?
Yeah, but it's fine.
Okay,
it's fine. It's fine. Look at it. All right.
Let's see if we can do this without. I think my goal is I'm gonna wipe the quarter glass off so it's not dirty.
Right.
Because I need all the help I can get.
Yeah, we need a fresh surface. We need to find a rag or something.
All right, let's do it. Maybe nobody will notice. Maybe nobody's even on it right now. Maybe we just sneak in and out quick. Okay?
I mean, maybe. We'll find out.
Alright, so we did it. We ran out pretty quick. We didn't get a whole lot of time over here. I think I got 6 to 8 signatures. I got really paranoid because the first one, you couldn't see it at all. So they had to press really hard. So if it comes out in the daylight that these signatures aren't great, it's still not a real test of how my signatures are doing, because that was a difficult and stressful atmosphere right there.
It was.
Next thing you know, we had people running at us with water guns, and it was all bad from there. So,
Yeah.
but super awesome that they're doing this. I don't know. I think it's been a little over 48 hours now. You think it's gonna last all month?
Man, I don't know if it's making some funny noises. It's making some funny noises.
Listen,
for
I
sure.
don't know when we post this video. This thing's still running. But if it is, you got to go to Cleetus' second channel and check it out, because the fact that this car is humming at 100 miles an hour on jack stands for over 48 hours already is absolutely insane, and you don't want to miss it.
No.
So if you're watching this video right now, when you're done, go over there and check that thing out, because it's insane. And you'll want to see, maybe in a daylight, you see those awesome autographs on the back window. You get a CGRC sticker in the back.
Yeah, you still need some practice, but you're getting better.
Well, the thing is, you always can use practice, right? You can always do better.
Always.
The moment that you think you've mastered something is when you start to not learn anything, which is not good. So you're right. I do need practice. We're not quite there, but we're going to keep doing better.
We are.
And I appreciate all the people that have let me sign their stuff, potentially ruin their garments, practicing my autograph. It means a lot, and we will continue to do better. So every event we see you guys at, we'll just keep doing better, and hopefully one day we'll have it just right, dialed in. But that's going to do it for today's video. We're going to get out of the Freedom Factory and get home. It's kind of late. We came here when nobody else was here, and now we have a long ride home. So thanks for watching the second channel. If you haven't already subscribed, this is a second channel. We're doing some behind the scenes stuff, some different stuff over here, and just having fun. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.